Hola niños, ¿cómo están? How are you guys? Another way to ask how someone's doing or what's going on is to say, hey, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? T-A-L. ¿Qué tal? It's kind of like saying, how's it hanging? So we're going to begin today with the repaso. And if any of these are confusing or difficult for you, then just go back and review some of the videos from before. So the first question is, how would you say I'm going to the park? So one way to say I'm going to the park would be voy al parque. You could say me voy al parque, and both of those would be correct. So the next question in repaso is your escuela near a bosque? Sí o no? Yes or no? I hope you said sí, because your escuela is definitivamente, definitely near a bosque. All right, next question. I can't answer this one for you, but ¿dónde estás ahora? Where are you now? Yo estoy en la escuela. Y finalmente, finally, our last pregunta, our last question is, ¿qué día es? Aquí, here, it is miércoles. It is Wednesday. Awesome. Well, we're going to continue. So the next slide is asking you, which of these is a bosque verde? So hopefully you remember, verde means green. So even though these are both bosques, this one is verde. And remember, bosque means forest. Okay, next question. Which is a ciudad? So hopefully you remember what ciudad means. So between the two of these, this is the ciudad. This is a lago with bosque and montañas, right? And ¿cuántas casas are there in esta foto? So how many casas are in esta foto? Dos. Muy bien. All right, well, all right, so now that we finished our repaso, we're going to be learning some new palabras, some nuevas palabras, new words, and they're going to have to do with family, which is known as familia. So I have this cool picture here because I thought we could talk through who everyone in the family is. So we have the hijos. Hijos is the word for the children. But if it's a girl, if it's a daughter, it is the hija. It ends in the A. And you're going to notice a pattern here that things that are girls end in A and things that are boys usually end in O, or things that are neutral end in O. So we have the hija and the hijo is the son. So you're right if you're thinking, the word for kid is the same word for son. That's just how it is in Spanish. There's a bit of a generalization. So we have hija and we have hijo. And she is his hermana, his sister, and he is her hermano, which is brother. So your siblings are your hermanos, but if they're girls, then they're your hermanas. All right? Then we have mamá y papá, mother and father, and they are the padres of this family. They are the parents. And we'll finish up on the next video.